So this is why it is important, guys, for you to have an online business, y'all. I mean, I just want to help as many people as possible, guys, because this is a recession-proof business. Nobody cannot touch my online business. I sell products that work, so I get to stay home and get healthy and still help other people make money. So this business is recession-proof, y'all. Y'all, what is going on? If you are new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you know every time I upload a new video, y'all. So listen, today is, what's today? Today's Tuesday, March 24th, y'all. Every day is something new, something crazy going on, but most of all, people are losing their jobs, y'all. Over 1 million jobs were lost in like a week. That is huge. It's just unbelievable how fast things are starting to decrease, to fall apart. If you hear any background noise, that's my family out there, my daughter. So I still want to put this, do my work while they get to enjoy themselves too. So, but that's crazy. That is really, really crazy, y'all. 1 million people lost their jobs, y'all. And here's the thing. It's like, people are really scared. People don't really know what they're gonna do, and this is why I encourage you guys to gather your families together and talk and discuss what is next. What are we gonna do? Now, some jobs are not in jeopardy as far as transit, doctors and nurses and things like that, but nobody's hiring. So if you guys say, I'm gonna go get a job, where are you gonna go? Nobody is hiring because, one, social distancing. We cannot be around more than 10 people. You just can't be around a big crowd because this virus is spreading so quickly and so rapidly, y'all. So you can't get a job. So where are you gonna go hire? Who's gonna hire you? Nobody's hiring right now. So this is why it is important, guys, for you to have an online business, y'all. I mean, I just want to help as many people as possible, guys, because this is a recession-proof business. Nobody cannot touch my online business. I sell products that work, so I get to stay home and get healthy and still help other people make money. So this business is recession proof, y'all. So listen to me. You need to really discuss with your family what is your next plan, because if y'all can't go outside and work, how is y'all bills gonna get paid? How are y'all gonna be able to feed your family? How are you gonna just get the things that you need for everyday needs? You know what I mean? We humans, we need stuff, you know what I mean? And depending on waiting on Trump to decide how much money we all gonna get and all that stuff, do not wait for that. You need to take action now. If you know you got a paycheck recently or you got some money saved up, you need to invest your money. You can't do nothing with your money just sitting under your mattress and just sitting in the bank. You can't do nothing with it. You have to invest your money. You cannot make money if you don't invest money. It's just simple as that. There's no millionaire, no billionaire who made all these millions of dollars and did not invest a single dollar. You have to invest money, y'all. Like me, I invested in my business. I paid my $50 for my starter kit and I got my product. That's an investment in my business. And I earned way more than just a $50 investment, y'all. So listen to me. You have to invest money to make money. Some of y'all need to change your relationship with money. People scared to talk about money. People scared to, give out money. And I know that. I used to, every time I get a little $5, I hold it tight. Like, damn, let me save it. I don't want to, let it go. But you cannot be like that. Because when you let money flow, more money comes to you. You know what I mean? Just like when you put good out, you get good back. So it's the same principle, y'all. Y'all need to stop being scared to invest in your money, y'all. And here with TLC, like I say, is the perfect vehicle for you to jumpstart your business. And like I said, TLC will open so many other doors for you. Like I said, you guys have dreams and goals that you want to accomplish. Just plant your feet somewhere first to help you make the money to go invest in other things you want to do. You know what I mean? We get paid daily here with TLC, y'all. You sell you a bottle of NutriBurst today, you get that money tomorrow. That is lucrative, especially now, the times we're in now. It's just crazy how the world just changed just that quick in like 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks. You know what I mean? So this is something serious. You guys need to think about it. It's like it's not even safe to go outside anymore. Yes, you can go outside, but you got to be careful where you go, who you talk to, what you touch. It's just ridiculous, y'all. So now is the time for us to really stay at a standstill. This is why I think everything happens for a reason. Everybody just so used to on the go, going to the job, going here, running here, taking care of the kid, doing that, and nobody, had to, remember to come back and be still, Take the time to, thank the Lord, thank God, thank Jesus for the life that you have, you know what I mean? Spend time with your family, you know what I mean? Just be calm instead of just always working and working and working. Even me, I have things I need to work on too. I will be on the computer all day long, just working and networking and answering messages. But I said, you know what? This is a time for me to reanalyze myself, calm down, take a step back, and really get back to the basics, y'all. So I plan to, still run my business from home, set time away from that, set time to spend time with my family, spend time for myself, clean up my house, clean up closets that I set up and gonna clean up for months and ain't do it. Now I got the time, and read my Bible. I don't know if you guys are spiritual or not, but I believe in Jesus Christ. So me and my fiance started getting back into our Bible like we're supposed to. Don't get me wrong, I pray every day, every morning, but it's just time to really get back. You know what I mean? Because even before this, I know a lot of people they only pray to God when they need things. I always pray to God because I'm thankful and grateful to still be here, because I know I have a purpose, y'all. And my purpose is to help other people. Be fruitful and multiply. When I learn something, I want to share it. So this is why I said I want to work with serious people who are serious to invest in their health. All you got to do is get you your starter kit. TLC has a starter kit for $49.95, and get you some NutriBurst and some tea. Or get you some NutriBurst and some CBD tea, y'all. It could be up to you. It could be that one or it could be this one. But just get a product, guys. You know what I mean? Everybody knows somebody who needs vitamins. This is good for building your immune system right now, especially this chaga. These are perfect. First of all, we should have been healthy before the coronavirus came out or came back, whatever you want to call it. But I've been on my NutriBurst for a year now, and I feel good. These two are really great for building your immune system. So if you have a weak immune system, if you ain't got no energy, if you ain't really taking care of your health like you're supposed to, you need you some chaga. Is it backwards? You need chaga. You need some chaga, which is Siberian mushroom, really, really good. You need some NutriBurst, which is really, really good. Liquid vitamin, absorbs 98% into your bloodstream, and you need to get healthy. And if you a hustler like me, you're gonna get you your NutriBurst and your chaga, or your NutriBurst and your tea, and get you 2 more bags of the tea. So you can sample it, you can sell it to people, you know what I mean? Week supplies, 5-day supplies. It is totally up to you. Okay, y'all, so my team is killing it. I'm so proud of my team, y'all. My goal was to help people, help you guys get out your comfort zone. My team, I did a challenge with them, and they really, they rocked it. They did so good, so good. So I'm happy that I get to help other people, come out their comfort zone, be that leader that, you are. We all are leaders. You just got to pull it out. You know what I mean? So this is why I want to work with serious people who can learn as they go. I mean, I'm a fast learner, so if you are a fast learner, even better. If you know how to use Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff, even better, y'all. I mean, there's no discrimination here. I have a little bit of older people on my team as well, but it's all a learning process, y'all. But listen, we can do this. This is our time to really grow. Don't let this, don't let this pass by and you don't grow from it. A lot of people are going to still come out this situation the same people, the same person doing the same stuff. You know what I mean? Not me and not my team. We're going to grow from this. We're going to grow through it. So when this is over with, we're going to come out totally different people. You know what I mean? As far as spiritually, mentally, financially, you know what I mean? So we'll be able to do more things, okay? So this is why I want to help men and women. Men, if you watch this, don't be ashamed either. My fiance, he's doing the same thing. We got the same team, but you guys can connect with him, and then we all, work together. Healthy, hustle, fit. You know what I mean? So take this time to really figure out what it is that you want to do with your life, y'all. Now's the time to learn a new skill. People are losing their jobs left and right. You know what I mean? Stores are closing, and when this thing is over, a lot of jobs are not going to come back. So it goes back to what are you going to do? Don't wait for Trump to give you money. Don't wait for something to happen. Do not wait. You need to act right now. If you know you have money in your home, or you have money at all in general, you need to invest it. You need to invest it and put it out there so you can make more money back. Like I said, I invested my money and I made way more back than I invested, y'all. Okay, so don't take this lightly. This is really, really serious, y'all. Like I said, I think everything happens for a reason. Maybe this was God's way of telling everybody to stop and pause and reanalyze everything. You know what I mean? And just start over and just get back to the basics. You know what I mean? So And it's perfect time to detox. If you're home, get you some of this tea. Even if you don't want to join the business, fine. Get you some tea, detox your body, get all that bad stuff out your system so you can start to feel better. A lot of people feel tired, sluggish, fat, bloated. And some of y'all ain't even fat. Your stomach is just a lot of shit that's in it that needs to come out. And getting you some of this detox tea will help you, y'all. You'll start to feel lighter. Your skin will start to clear up. You know what I mean? You'll get your energy back. You'll feel good. And most of all, you will release all the parasites and the toxins that are in your system, y'all. So get the tea. Go get the tea and NutriBurst. I always say don't get one without the other. Why? Because when you detox your body, you're getting rid of the bad, the parasites, the mucus, and some of the good. So you need the NutriBurst to put the good back into your body, along with getting your vitamins, your minerals, your B12, your biotin. All that stuff is in this bottle. So you need both of them, y'all. So do not sleep. You know what I mean? Even while you're home, you can still get healthy. Stay home and get healthy, y'all. So I just want you guys to really analyze the situation. If you're ready to get started with me and TLC and start making some money, go ahead and click the link down below. And listen, when you guys sign up and get started, send me a DM. Either text the number that's listed below or go straight to my my social media and send me a DM. Because if you sign up, how I know you signed up. Some people sign up and just keep going and they wonder why, oh, my sponsor didn't write me back, this and that. Why? Because you did not write me. You just signed up and you just left to do everything on your own. When you get started, there is training and stuff for you to follow, so you don't just feel like you just in this alone. Once you get started, send me a message and we can work. Like I said, the CBD NutriBurst link will be down below. Also, the Freedom Kit. I always recommend the Freedom Kit. The Freedom Kit is the 2 bags of this tea, the NutriBurst, and the month supply of NRG. If you really want to get started on your health journey, y'all, get the Freedom Kit. It'll last you a month. At the same time, you're getting everything you need, so you get to stay home, detox, and spend time with your family, and spend time with yourself, y'all. But I really believe this is the time for you guys to learn a new skill, and what better time than now? As you know, we are transforming into a digital world, so now's the time for you to get to know how to use computers and laptops and phones if you do not, y'all. So I hope this video helps you guys in any way. If you are ready to join my team and get started, click the link down below and send me a message after. If you join with another sponsor and you want to be on my team, also there's a link down below that will, not a link, but a template below that you can follow to email TLC and tell you want to switch your sponsor. Honestly, because I get a lot of people messaging me like, hey, I just got started, can you give me some info on this? Or hey, and in my mind I'm like, okay, where's your sponsor? You need to go back to your sponsor and they're supposed to give you the rundown on how to start running your business. That's why y'all gotta choose your sponsors wisely. So if you chose a sponsor who just left you hanging, or you didn't reach out to them and you found somebody that you want to work with, you need to call TLC or email TLC and tell them you want to switch your sponsor. Honestly, because my time is precious only to people who got started with me, my team, because a lot of people are new and they need to get caught up and learn certain things. So honestly, not to be mean, I don't have time to be trying to help other people who did not sign up with me. Honestly, not to be mean, but once you start getting in business, you'll understand that. A lot of people come ask you, oh, can I get help? Can I get help? This and that. Which I do these YouTube videos for free to give you some free game. But besides YouTube, I have my own training and stuff that I do in my group with my team. So don't take it personal, but if you did not sign up with me, I'm sorry. My time is not going to be completely on you. It's going to be straight to my team. So if you want to join with me, you can follow the template below and switch your sponsor. Also, I have a coaching program coming out. I will be dropping that soon. So if you get started with me, well, my team who already got started with me, it'll be free for them. If you are not in my team, or if you did not sign up with me and you want to be in that coaching class, you can. It's going to be a fee for that as well. I'm also coming out with customer training. So like for customers who want to try the product, it's going to be a whole videos about what products, how to take the products, info about the products, things like that. I have a lot of stuff coming out, so because I want to start making things more efficient and quicker, so when people get started, boom, they know what to do. When customers get started, boom, they know what to do, okay? So, yeah, guys, happy day. Hope you guys are safe and well. Hope you guys are, prepared, and just, just think, what I mean? Really get with your family and figure out what you guys are going to do. Like I said, a lot of industries are affected by this pandemic, and most jobs aren't coming back, you know what I mean? So Don't be scared. Invest in your health, guys. Definitely invest in your health, because your health is truly your wealth, literally. And let's get started. Let's get started, guys. So I will see you guys in my next video. Drop your comments or concerns below, any questions you may have, or any videos you would like me to, any product or any questions you have, or any kind of videos you want me down below, y'all. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, anything you want me to do a video on, drop it below if you have any questions. But like I said, for those of you, because most of you guys are already in TLC or looking to get with TLC, if you are already with TLC, reach out to your sponsors. You know what I mean? If for some reason you cannot get your sponsors, then fine, drop a question below. Or if you want to switch, go ahead and follow the template below as well, y'all. So I'm out. Go get your detox tea. Get your detox tea ASAP. Do not wait. Order it today. Get the 2-pack. You get 2 bags of these for $60. That is a good deal, and they will last you. Okay. So see you guys in the next video.